Are silent people who prefer silence in every case weak? But here today, we will tell the characteristics of those silent people who adopt silence only because they are very intelligent and do not talk much to anyone, and these people never give up in the bitterness of life. 10 reasons why wise people adopt silence. 1. Silence is mostly a signal of strength of will, no longer a weak point. Strong minds don't react immediately. 2. Many people stay quiet because they've learned that not every battle deserves energy. 3. Psychology shows silence protects emotional boundaries when words would cause damage. 4. People choose silence after they realize explaining themselves received alternate closed minds. 5. Silence offers the brain time to process emotions rather than permitting them to explode. 6. Those who live quietly frequently understand that peace is more effective than being proper. 7. Silence is a defense mechanism against manipulation, drama, and unnecessary struggle. 8. Emotionally clever people understand that listening speaks louder than arguing. 9. Silence allows human beings to study intentions, styles, and truths others pass over even as speaking. 10. In the end, most people choose silence because calm control always outlasts loud reactions. If you apply any of these points to your life, please write yes in the comments. If the video looks good, please subscribe to the channel and like. Thank you very much for your encouragement.